Hi guys, so I tried this Kiss acrylic kit. My natural nails, which were very long, had an overlay, and we've not been able to go to beauty salons or nail salons in a while, so I went and picked this kit up for 16 bucks at Walgreens. And as you can see, it's hefty with all kinds of goodies to make my acrylic nail experience or creation experience a plus. Yeah, even 2 sets of nails. Now, I used to do this when I was like a teenager, late teens, 17 and 18 years old. And it didn't have all these extra doodads that we had, because I am 47 years old now. So just make sure that you start with a clean nail. You file it down, and I did push my cuticles, but I am going to clean them up a little bit. So now that I've got my cuticles clean, I'm going to try these couple of different nail options, but I really doubt if I use a French tip, because honey, I am not a French tip type. I'm just telling you that right now. I mean, it looks kind of cute on me, but it looks fine on other people, but it's just not my style. So I like to polish my nails. I like to have an almond shape. I'm very particular. Now I do like about this, what I like about it is there's like a little bed in there so that it sticks, it adjusts or it adheres to your nail properly. And when I did the adherence, I used the glue that they provided, and I just made sure that there's no air bubbles, because with air bubbles, people, comes bacteria, comes fungus. I was doing you all a favor cutting down some of the time. So yes, I have like 4 nails on, but here goes 5. Hello. I mean, from the light, they look like they're almost done, which they're far from done. But I'm not wearing no tiger claws, honey. We don't do all that. Got both hands done. And the next step is the good stuff. I think it is us cutting the nails. Yes, it is cutting us the nails. Cutting them and shaping them to the shape that I adore, which is my almond shape. No, I can't sing. Don't judge me. And in order for us to get that shape, you guys, first you gotta cut the sides to make it like a pointy triangle, almost like a cat. And then you need to file the sides. Then you need to round the sides off just a little bit, y'all. If you want the cat, what was the cat nails or the little pointy claw nails, then you're gonna leave the tip. But otherwise, you're gonna round it off. Now for the important work. That's the acrylic liquid. No, it's the primer. Sorry. You guys got to put this on your natural nail. Don't let it get on the other nail. I don't know why. The instructions just said it. Girl, my nails look like I've been to a salon. Okay. Yes, girl, you better come through. Now, we're going to use the acrylic liquid, and you're going to pour that into the bowl. And then you've got to put this like little dropper of something that says like apple fresh on it. I don't like apples, but it smelled like apples, I guess. And I think it's like 4 to 5 drops. I can't remember how many, but my big old hand's in the way, and I'm sorry. Well, I mean, I guess it doesn't really make a difference. Put the drops inside of the liquid, and then break out that powder so you can go ahead and get ready to go. So back to when I was like 16, 17, 18 years old, and I was doing my nails, I would go to Big Lots and they had the little bitty containers. They weren't big like the acrylic powder container that you see here. And I used a paper towel to wipe off the brush in between the nails. I didn't figure that part out until I finished doing the thumb, and the thumb acrylic was a little chunky. But make sure that you once you dip it in the liquid, you then drop it in the powder and make a ball, and a small amount, just a small amount. Too much and your nails be looking like tiger claws or something. I mean, something ridiculous. Not bad. I mean, see my nail? My thumbnail's looking kind of crazy and it's looking flat. So I'm going to have to go back and fix that. Okay, Media Maven. You got that acrylic on, girl. You better come through, but you better fix them nails. Them thumbnails. Because them thumbnails looking kind of crazy. But that looks good. And I haven't even filed it or buffed them all the way down. Now, one thing about using acrylic, you got to make sure that you get it off of your skin, ladies. Don't be walking around with that stuff eating your skin, the side of your thumbs off and everything. You picking your skin looking all crazy. So get that skin, press that back, get it separated from the nail. Okay. Next, you want to make sure that you're using the rough end of the file. I was going to try to use the soft end, but I'm going to end up having to use the rough end because it wasn't coming off hard enough. There we go. See? So we're going to use the rough end to get that acrylic smoothed out on each of those nails. Up next is the buffer. Get that nice and buff so they're nice and smooth, nice and rounded, nice and smooth. Otherwise, they're going to be looking all crazy. Yeah, now I'm like hitting them cuticles kind of hard, but I'll get that resolved. But after you get that file down, make sure that you're using that buffer. I am real funny about my nail polish, y'all, and I got tons of it. But I do like my perfect match, and I like ADHERE Sky. I love Color Club because they have a variety of colors. I'm obviously going to switch it up. That glitter that is in the middle, I use that on everything. I mean, everything. Okay. Now, this is my second time using that ADHERE Sky color. It does go on first layer very thin. It's almost like a transparent color. So you have to add 2 to 3 coats to really get your desired weight. So as you can see with that, what I call level 1 of nail polish, it is so super thin, so thin. I'll make sure that I put the products that I use inside, or actually in the comments, the description box, so that you guys can go and find them yourselves. This is with 2 coats and a top coat. I keep saying why do I keep doing that? I haven't even used my diamond yet. The lighting, I'm using a ring light, so it's making it look like that they're kind of wavy. But you'll see here in just a second, because I'll clean off my cuticles and add a little oil, and then presto changeo. I love animal print, y'all. I really do. And those are my Kiss Acrylic Kit $16 nails. Yes, I bought on a budget, and it looks like I've been to a nail salon. Hello. I always keep all the nail polishes and all that good stuff. So thank y'all for watching. Bye-bye.